If you ask people where Carr Avenue is, a lot of them wouldn't even know. This one is tucked away. You're on 9 Carr Avenue. You're not far from a store you can walk to. You've got a front sun porch. There's an open rear deck. For the most part, the house is vinyl sided. Here's your deck. This is so private. This is not like being in town, but that's what it's like on your rear deck. 9 Carr Avenue has a storage shed. Let's go in the front porchway. The front sun porch is ideal for summer living, but also for storage, so everything doesn't get dumped in your living space. Raised paneled ceilings, hardwood floors. Yes, those are the new tilt-in type windows. There's a pellet stove. 2 bathrooms in this home that's tucked away on a side street. If you are still renting and you know the interest rates are low, but you need a helping hand, we can work something out with this home. Start owning, not renting. Do you need a first floor bedroom? This home has that too. Plus the side-by-side refrigerator, that dishwasher, the glass top electric stove. Those stay in your sale. This is your formal dining room. Bedroom on first floor, that's what this is, or your home office where you telecommute. Lots of windows. They are on your east side. Plenty of storage. This one has a shower. 2 bedrooms, another bathroom on the second level in this bungalow. At the head of your stairs, this would be an ideal opportunity for a nursery. Or this could have been your home office, or where the kids do their homework online. Your second bedroom, if you use that first floor one, on your second level. Lots of under eave storage space. Across the hall, your second bedroom. It has under eave storage space. A tub in this bathroom that needs a new tub enclosure. You can buy those at Home Depot for about $59. See those fluorescent lights? They make you look like you're in a morgue when you wake up in the morning. I'd replace those too for about $30. That's your home at 9 Carr Avenue. Circuit breaker wiring. That's a fairly new oil hot air fuel tank. A lot of your basement walls in this 1920 home are insulated 3 feet down. And there's a fairly new electric water heater. That's your home on one-way, quiet street, Carr Avenue. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make comments down below. If you're renting and want to stop that, we're here to help. Reach out, let's connect. Come check out in person 9 Carr Avenue.